The tash is gone, as you may have just noticed. I have taken the inspiration from Tom Selleck meeting Burt Reynolds in the 70s with the dirty tash and removed it because I've come back to Little Miss Sunshine, Nelly Winter here in Europe. And as fun as it was to have the mustache for like 10 days playing a character in the F4 project.
My name's Brody, brah. It's Brody McBrah, brah.
I'm happy that it's gone. And I'm back
me too. Thank you. I've actually been here for like a month, so Greg and I decided to make Spain our temporary home base for like 2 months because we both really like Spain, life in Spain, Spanish language, Spanish food, all that stuff. So I've been here for months and I'm really liking Malaga. Like I've been exploring a lot, I've been filming a lot, I've been working a lot, but overall it's been a really nice January for me here in the sun.
Yeah, and you've got a couple of videos already up on your channel. Yeah. Today's Sunday, it's upload day for Nelly as well, and she is a relatively new YouTube creator. Yeah. So be sure to go and check those out and show her some love because your YouTube channel is very independent from mine.
Yeah,
and
it's very
she has a totally different business as well. And Nelly kind of runs her own show, which is great because we have that, you know, we have our different things, which is good. When you're traveling nomadic and you spend a lot of time together, it's important that we have that separation. So be sure to go and check out her videos on Malaga, and you're dropping another one today too, right?
Yes, which is not about Malaga though.
What's it about?
About online business tools. So it's a bit about the behind the scenes of how I work and which tools I use to work.
Yeah, so this channel and a little bit of Nelly's channel obviously is inspired by small business and video creation, of course, and traveling. One of the things that I wanted to touch on, because I've noticed in the last couple of weeks that a lot of people commenting and watching the videos are video producers themselves, and a lot of people have just kind of got into it. So one of the things that I tried to do last year was create an online course called Introduction to YouTube for Video Creators to give a brief kind of online video course overview of what I've learned about YouTube in the last 2 years and how I've grown a small little channel. By no means do I have like tons and tons of subscribers, but it's been consistently growing and I'm getting a lot of really good engaged feedback and comments from the community. So it's cool to see that sell and to see people really gain a lot from that course.
Yeah, I think the most important part about that course is that you've gone through all those stages yourself. Like you've been the really small creator and you've grown not very fast, but you have grown consistently, and that's really important. And I think for most people starting out on YouTube like myself and other small video creators, it's nice to see that that's like that process is also possible, and it's not always, it doesn't go like this. Like that's not the normal case. Like usually you make little baby steps until you get where you want to be.
Yeah, we've got a lot of practical tips and information in there of things you can do to create better videos. So that's all very exciting. And part of that online course are different packages. And one of them is to get a shout out on this channel. So one of the guys who purchased that exact package, Scott Walton, I wanted to shout out his channel because he is ready for me to share it with you. He sent me an email a few days back saying, hey Greg, I've got this new video and I think it'd be a good time to throw it on your channel. So Scott is an American photographer, landscape photographer that I've been following for quite a while. Actually, I knew of him before he signed up to my course. He's a landscape photographer. He's been doing it for like 30 years.
Wow.
He shoots a large format 4x5 film, which is a different world from digital. Neither of us have ever been there, but I know a little bit about it. I follow Ben Horn as well, who's another American large format photographer. So go and check out Scott's videos. I'll link them in the description. His latest one is about desert photography in the US, in a canyon in Utah. I think it's called Praia. But he's very soft-spoken, nice presenter. He's got great fine art photography. His website looks amazing. So definitely something that new video creators can look at and learn from. And his channel is tiny. So go and give him some support and have a look at his videos. And the course, of course, because I think that he's learned a lot from it, as well as like, you know, over 100 people now, which is really, really cool. So we've got a little community growing too on Facebook, and all good things there.
Talking about Facebook, I wanted to ask you something. Did you hear about the group that was just recently opened up and is really like going nuts. Like it's getting really popular.
The photography YouTube one.
Yes, exactly.
Started by Paul Thompson, who might be watching this video. So good on you, Paul. There was a Facebook group just started that Nelly and I saw about YouTube photography channels. So it's funny that I found myself in this sort of photography niche of YouTube and landscape photography even through Brendan and through Thomas Heaton and just working with the F4 guys. But a lot of these photographers are making YouTube channels and videos to like highlight their photography, to try and get their images
Which is super
seen.
smart, because on social media across the internet, video is so valuable right now. Like it's way more promoted on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, of course, than photography is. So it can actually really bring out the photography side of your business through video.
Yeah, and you can really highlight the images and tell the story behind them as well.
Absolutely,
So anyway, this Facebook group that we're talking about has seen like over 100 new members in like 3 days, and there's a ton of people that are part of this group that are new video producers and looking to start YouTube and really like highlight a focus on their work, which is cool. It's sort of a self-promotion page,
which makes it unique too, because usually Facebook pages don't really allow you to post your own stuff. Like kind of, but they don't necessarily want you to only promote your own links. They want you to have like an engaged community.
Yeah, especially YouTube links too. Yes. That's another story. But that's about that for the introduction to YouTube for video creators. And we're in Spain for the next few weeks before I go back to work in Iceland with Brendan. But there's lots to look forward to. We're still going to explore the area. You know, Nelly and I are in the south right now in Andalusia, and it's beautiful weather for January. There's a lot to check out around here.
Beautiful coastlines, beautiful pueblos, like cute little white house pueblos, towns all across the area. And I've already seen a little bit of it, but you haven't.
No, I haven't, so I'm really excited
to go on a road trip with you.
Me too. And there's an amazing disc golf course here too. So that has really nothing to do with photography or video or business, but I love playing disc golf, and one of the best courses in Spain is down in Andalusia. So that's something I gotta look forward to. But yeah, thanks as always for watching. You know, we hope you liked the video. If you got any comments or questions, throw them down below. Comment your own YouTube channel. Why not? Let's see your channel. Link it in the descriptions, or not in the description, in the comments, so we can have a look at it.
And see if YouTube bans that or not.
Yeah, because sometimes the links, even YouTube links, go into my spam folder sometimes through comments.
We'll see.
I'll have to just approve them if they look like spam, but they probably won't. I mean, just link your channel and we'll check it out, because the more people that are part of this video production community, the better. And I want to see your videos. So
me too.
Do that for sure. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you hopefully back on the normal schedule of Wednesdays and Sundays, but definitely Sundays for sure.
And the next one will be from Spain.
Yes, for sure. The next one will be from Spain. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, let's go. Bye.
You want to go? Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
British, bye. Okay, bye.